welcome back. So we were just about a degree below average today, putting us at around 41 degrees for a high. Partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies were the story across the region. Here's a look at our tower cam time lapse, the Regional West weather camera in Scottsbluff. A few more clouds working their way in as we made our way past the sunset hour. That's what we got right now, mostly cloudy skies. 44 your high today at Alliance and at Chadron, into the upper 30s for highs at Kimball and Sydney, and Wheatland a high of 54 degrees. That was our warm spot. We have since cooled down into the mid to upper 20s at Scottsbluff, Chadron, Bridgeport, and Oshkosh. Mid to upper 30s, warmer out toward Kimball and Sydney, and near 30 as you make your way toward Alliance. But Harrisburg now is the warm spot with their terrain. Current temperature of 44 degrees. Here's a look at the winds, mainly from a westerly or southwesterly direction. Wind speeds right now between 5 and 15 miles per hour. We do have some weather alerts. This is a high wind watch for I-25 and the higher elevations just off to the west. Goes into effect at 8 a.m. tomorrow and will last until 5 p.m. tomorrow. So watch out if you're traveling out in that direction, and especially between Cheyenne and Laramie. The windy conditions as typical for this time of year. So here's a look at the satellite and radar. We do have mostly cloudy skies across the region and are staying mainly dry. A couple areas of high pressure made their way through. This one exited. Another one is approaching. A little bit of a northerly flow in the upper atmosphere. That trough is giving us the cloud cover, but a few peaks of sunshine tomorrow. This high pressure system is in charge. A little bit of a warm sector as temperatures are back into the 40s to near 50 until that low pressure system off the west coast gets here and gives us some rain or snow showers for Sunday evening into Monday morning. So outlook for this weekend, mainly dry, mild condition, a nice ridge in the jet stream. The cooler air is going to be pooling into the deep south with some snow in the Appalachians, the lake effect belt, and along the Canadian border. But the main weather story is going to be this rain and snow event for the west coast and getting into the Rocky Mountains. We'll tap into some of that moisture to finish out the weekend. So here's what the skycast looks like. Partly to mostly cloudy skies during the overnight as temperatures will fall back into the mid-20s, and then we'll be into the mid-40s to even near 50 tomorrow. Mostly sunny skies turning partly cloudy, and then mostly cloudy as we make our way through your Saturday evening. Lots of cloud cover for the day on Sunday, with high temperatures falling back into the low to mid-40s. And then here's a look at Sunday evening, as we do have some rain and some snow showers developing and moving through the early overnight on Monday. Map. So there's your high to start the weekend. The wind mainly from a southerly direction warming us up, but clouds ahead of this system. This low will track right over us, so rain and some snow showers as we start off next week. These things really develop as they leave the rain shadow of our viewing area and then move into the Midwest. We're not dealing with that much moisture, but we're back to mainly dry conditions for Monday with the partly cloudy skies. Now, here's a look at the snowfall potential. We're tracking a system Tuesday into Wednesday. Here's a look at two of our models. This is the European model. It puts it into Colorado and Kansas with a moderate to maybe even some places heavy snowfall event there. But we're also keeping our eyes on the North American model, which this is the latest that came in. It just came in at like 10 p.m. And this one actually has a little more snow for us, so late to even moderate accumulations as you make your way toward the Colorado border. We're going to be watching this over the next 4 days, but there is a chance of some snow. We'll just keep our eyes on that one. Near 50 for Saturday, 45 on Sunday with the moisture chance, lower 40s Monday and Tuesday, partly cloudy to mostly cloudy skies. Wednesday, just a slight chance of some snow showers in the morning, but that could change. High of 38 degrees, and then upper 30s and lower 40s with partly cloudy skies Thursday and Friday of next week. Angel?
Thanks, Justin. We now turn to the tragic death of Lisa Marie Presley, the only daughter of rock and roll icon Elvis Presley. She was rushed to the hospital on Thursday and died just hours later. We take a look back at her life.
Lisa Marie Presley, the sole daughter of rock and roll icon Elvis Presley.